Hey guys, what's happening? How to find the best road trip route in Australia. Embarking on an Australian road trip is a thrilling way to experience the country, diverse landscapes, and vibrant cultures. To uncover the best route without any hidden surprises, consider the following steps. Okay, when you go to book a trip with several friends, leverage official tourism resources. Tourism Australia's official website offer a curated list of iconic road trips. You could type right here Australia, right? Tourism official website. Okay, you can find it right here. Yeah. Tourism Australia. Okay, and this ensures you're accessing reliable and up-to-date information. Okay, engage with travel communities. Platforms like Reddit, road trip, right here, type Reddit, road trip. Okay, provide first-hand accounts and recommendations from fellow travelers. Engaging with these communities can offer insights into lesser known routes and personal experiences. Okay, and always consult travel blogs and guides. Okay, travel blogs often feature detailed itineraries and tips based on personal experiences. For instance, Just Wandering offers in-depth, right here, there's Wandering. Right. Just Wandering offers an in-depth look at Australia's southern coast, highlighting must-see destinations and practical advice. Okay, and utilize road trip and planning tools. Websites like Full Suitcase, right? You could go to the Full Suitcase, right? Right here, let me separate. Full Suitcase, right? Can actually help provide you comprehensive itineraries, right? Including day by day plans, right? And essential travel tips, helping you map out your journey effectively. Okay, and stay updated on travel news. Regularly check reputable news outlets for the latest travel updates and on Australian road trips. This ensures you're informed about current events and any potential travel advisories. Okay, by combining these resources, you can craft a memorable Australian road trip tailored to your interests, ensuring a smooth journey free from unexpected detours. So we will catch you in the next time.